The Ring Video Doorbell 2 wire-free video doorbell. It's 1080 resolution, has motion detection, lifetime purchase protection, quick release battery pack, and connects via Wi-Fi. Here's our box contents, the actual doorbell, two different plates for the bottom, silver and black. These are two wedges. This one angles it horizontally and this one can angle it up or down. So it angles it vertically. There's the battery. Comes with a little tool, some hardware to connect the wires. It connects to your existing doorbell wires. Some legs to put it into your house. And it even comes with a cable. Comes with a nice little peel and stick protected by Ring. So it comes with a nice guide, step by step, charge your battery, set up the app, install your video doorbell on the wall, and so forth. So the first thing we're going to do is charge our battery. See a green and amber light. Once it's fully charged, you'll just see the green light. Fully charged, it just slides into the bottom. If you ever have to remove it, just push this tab down and slide it out. For our mounting bracket, you insert your leg. Bit of both our red and our white wires for our doorbell. Each cable to one of the little black wires provided in your parts bag and connecting them with a wire nut. Our wires are all prepped and ready to go. And we've got it lined up. We're just got to finish screwing it in. I inserted this little level in the slot to help us make sure our doorbell is nice and level. We connected the wires with the blade just like it shows in the instructions. Screwing on the little wires that had the blade under the screws. I'm going to reinsert my battery. Okay, open up your app store and look for Ring Doorbell. And you want to get this one. See the icon, Ring Always Home, the blue circle. And go ahead and click on Install. You'll be prompted to create an account, enter your home address, and just follow all the prompts. App set up Ring device. Okay.
Doorbells.
Allow everything. We're going to scan the barcode on the box that our device came in.
Okay.
When prompted, press your setup button. The goal is to have it spin so it joins the network. Select the 2.4 gigahertz network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Once it's on the network, it'll update the internal software. And we're supposed to wait until the device stops flashing. So I guess it's getting updates. Insert the plate you want on it. And you connect it with that little screw at the bottom. You have to pull this out and turn it around. There's a special tool needed. The Ring app looks like. You click on your front door. There's a live view. And you just hang up. Now, the guide is actually really good, but you can see your battery indicator, ring alerts, motion alerts, your account settings and everything would be under the little gear icon at the top right. Your motion settings, you have to choose what zones you want. When you can change the schedule and alerts and everything. You may not want to get alerts constantly for motion. And for shared users, you can add a user. Now, we had the problem where the shared user was never getting the emailed invitation. So the workaround for that was to have the shared user open up the Ring app on their own device, create an account using their email address, and then go in and share it again. And then they would not get an email, but when they logged out and logged back in, they would see the front door. So that was a workaround. Have them create the account first. So it's pretty basic, and there's live view settings, event history. So I hope this gets you started. Thank you.